Why do we grease the pan with parchment paper instead of just using cooking spray?
Hello, kitchen enthusiasts. Today we're diving deep into a very common question. Why do we grease the pan with parchment paper instead of just using cooking spray? You may think it's a simple topic, but there's more than meets the eye, and it can seriously affect your cooking results. Let's unravel this mystery together.
Understanding the role of greasing.
To understand why we might use parchment paper or cooking spray, we first need to understand why we grease pans at all. Greasing a pan serves two main purposes. 1. It prevents the food from sticking to the pan, making it easier to remove after cooking. 2. It helps in even heat distribution, which ensures your food cooks evenly.
What is parchment paper and why use it?
Now, what exactly is parchment paper? Parchment paper is a high-density, non-stick baking paper that withstands high temperatures. It has two main advantages. 1. It provides an excellent non-stick surface, better than most other materials. This is especially important for sticky foods like baked goods. 2. It helps to keep the pan clean, making cleanup easier. You simply remove the paper and throw it away.
What about cooking spray?
Cooking spray is a spray form of oil, sometimes mixed with other ingredients, meant to create a non-stick cooking surface. However, it does have some downsides. 1. Cooking sprays can leave a residue on pans over time, leading to a buildup that's hard to clean. 2. Some cooking sprays can impact the flavor of your food, particularly if they contain additives.
So, parchment paper or cooking spray?
The answer is, it depends on what you're cooking. 1. For foods that require a higher degree of non-stick protection, like cakes and cookies, parchment paper is usually the better choice. 2. For quick cooking foods, like eggs or pancakes, a cooking spray might be sufficient. In short, it's always helpful to have both on hand in your kitchen arsenal. So there you have it, folks. While both parchment paper and cooking spray serve the same purpose of creating a non-stick surface, they each have their own advantages and disadvantages. The key is to understand what you're cooking and choose the right tool for the job. Until next time, keep cooking, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep having fun in the kitchen.